With that, I want to pass the floor again to Natalie to wrap it up and make an announcement.
Thank you very much, Odysseus. Really insightful, and we're looking forward for the aggregated results. And it is very nice that we also had the opportunity to do this SWOT table, taking into account the amount of participants that might be very insightful. So just thank you so much for managing this. And indeed, I would like to wrap up this current session. First of all, thank you all for participation. And I indeed have a small announcement. For 3 years since the TechUkraine has started, we were thinking about somehow creating the community. And I have the experience of shaping the community since 2014, when I gathered directors of IT companies, being myself a sales manager at the time. And I know how to, I know that every organization is in itself like a kingdom, and every organization is actually wants to be the main one or take the leadership. And this is about connecting different players with all their interests, and also not to put one organization over the other. And this is very important in my opinion, because when you are starting just to attract to one organization, then other organizations are thinking, okay, why this organization is better than the other organization, so why should we join? So we are suggesting and to launch, and I was thinking about this for 3 years, because I had experience of shaping the volunteer communities of directors of IT companies. Then I was the director of Kyiv IT cluster, and I also got the experience of managing different partners. And I was thinking how to shape it right, so that we can actually unite ecosystem enablers, ecosystem builders, and community leaders. Because when I was working for the IT export strategy for the Ministry of Economic Development and Trade, I realized that different communities are like different separate universe, and they have their own agenda, they have their own needs, they have their own communities, and sometimes they are not intercepting. And that actually also it would be nice if we started talking and building bridges on a systemized basis. And we also at TechUkraine regularly receive a lot of different requests for announcements on our platform for different opportunities. And I know that each of you, including us, are struggling to share the opportunities that we get in this or that projects, because one thing is just to get the opportunity, and then another thing is to find the right users, beneficiaries of this opportunity, and this is always a challenge. So what we are suggesting is to create a community of change makers and ecosystem builders, and we are not connecting it to TechUkraine. We just only allowed ourselves to keep the colors, but we can discuss. If you don't like it, we can maybe change it to a different colors. This is a different logo, and the idea of this community is, first of all, informational, so to share updates and opportunities with networks of each other automatically. And automatically, by this we mean that we have created on TechUkraine platform an intranet especially for the change makers and ecosystem builders, in which you can post your announcement, and every participant of the community will see it. It will get to their emails, and and we can agree all that we are for the members of the community, we are reposting and republishing this announcement automatically, so that you don't have to waste time on sharing these opportunities one by one to every person that you know in the ecosystem with some audience. And this can actually really help to spread the word and help our intermediaries really get the best talent and the best options, the best startups that they are for their programs, which actually will benefit the whole ecosystem in our opinion. And then we also suggest that this meeting is not on the only one, so we have really regular monthly or quarterly meetings with updates on specific topics on demand, so we can gather and agree about what we're going to discuss, mainly online, but we can also do offline meetings. And maybe also shape joint projects and apply for funding or support each other's applications when we're speaking about Horizon Europe and other European projects, because these projects presuppose consortiums, and most of them are, of course, with the European partners, but we can also attract Ukrainian, and especially in the situation of trust. So I was also thinking about the principles of this community, and I see a lot of good sides and a lot of weaknesses from the SWOT analysis of our ecosystem that we are currently facing. So we would like to each member of the community to agree on specific set of rules and values that we will share as a community. And maybe we can discuss it. For now, this is the list that came out of my experience. So this is like, we trust and respect each other. We recognize we have one common objective, a technically advanced, strong and prosperous Ukraine, part of the global tech community of nations with shared values. We undertake all possible measures to support each other by sharing opportunities, related information, developing joint ideas, and publicly recognizing the input of each other to the ecosystem. I think this is also very important, because when we are competing with each other, we're trying to make ourselves like more, and others mention less. And I think that we can really, if we treat each other equally and with respect, that will actually also help to make this community even healthier and stronger. And we agree to regularly share our vision and objectives with each other, and aim to supplement each other by mapping ecosystem needs and taking the roles required and missing, so that we are not stepping into the roles of each other, but really are thinking, okay, what is missing in the ecosystem? What are the gaps? And then the organization that feels it best can step into it and provide these services that are missing. Maybe this is a complex exercise, but hopefully we can manage to do that. I envision this as a trust, first of all, trust-based network. It will be invite only, so I will not bother you right now with the link. I will reach out to those people in the ecosystem with whom I already discussed the concept, and I'm also like inviting all of you to reach out to me if you want to join this network. I'm not just going really to push this onto you, but I'm suggesting you to join. And like all the Changemakers and Ecosystem builders will be hosted on our portal, but we can also, you can do the same at your websites. So we really want to moderate it in such a way that we are not like putting TechUkraine so like at the top or somewhere else or any other organization, but really make it a coordination of ecosystem players with the respect and recognition of input of each one, and in this way make this connection stronger. At later points, if you wish to be more involved into the activities of TechUkraine specifically, you will have the possibility to become the playing member of TechUkraine and influence our own editorial strategy and also like some other projects. But this is something to be discussed individually. For now, this we're suggesting as a, first of all, knowledge sharing and information sharing platform that will automate these efforts for the community and make our efforts more efficient for everyone. So this is my small announcement. So thank you very much. Thank you for joining the webinar. Thank you for sharing your thoughts. I will send all the information that I have and also that our dear speakers has shared to your mails. And yes, so let's cheer each other for the successful organization of this workshop. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, let's just maybe we can have 3-4 minutes just to discuss, and then we will wrap it up.
Natalia, I'll probably add more on logistical coordination side. We'll share the materials. We'll put together everything that the presenters delivered today. so that you can further use all of the resources and probably put them to a good disposal. At the same time, we appreciate time. We know it's the most expensive resource, and we really hope that those people that stayed through the more than 2 hours enjoyed it, and we appreciate our speakers' efforts.
Yes.
So
Thank you
if
very much.
nothing's left, we probably can wrap it up.
Yeah, no comments.
Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for the event, and also yeah, the initiative that you just presented seems very relevant and applicable, so we really do support it, and hopefully it's gonna be beneficial for all of us.
Thank you, Margarita. Okay, if no more comments, one more time, thank you so much for your time, and keep in touch. Thank you,
Thank you.
Odysseus.
Thank you, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye-bye.